Hello. This is the mini perpustakaan. I love Penampang. Sponsored by Kapayan. Kapayan haminku. Well, whatever lah. Yeah. Some harebrained idea, I would say, if it is implemented in third world countries with nobody looking after the mini library. So far so good, nobody vandalized it. Although some of the books have disappeared, maybe they can take it home and read it, put it back again after they finish reading it. I don't know. Nobody really explain how this thing works. Can people just take the book home and read it and give it back, or they can donate books or exchange book? We don't know. So today I have an old copy of Reader Digest, which I will donate inside the cabinets. Here you are, Mandela. I went to keep it, but it's an old one. I don't want to read about Mandela. I read it already. My old Reader Digest books. And yesterday I come and check it out. It was a bit full. Now it's half empty. There was a newspaper there. It was gone. So okay. And I asked the mamak shop next door if they have made any arrangement for them to kind of have a look at this, take care of it, because the mamak shop is open 24 hours. Would be a good idea actually if people come, see the book here, sit on the table, read, order some minum, you know, it makes business sense. But I heard there's no arrangement whether the nearby shop would, especially a makan shop, should look after this, you know. And well, isn't that a supportive business? People who likes to read can sit on the table, order drinks, and then put back the books or whatever. What? This is new in Penampang. Good idea. But also a harebrained scheme, if depends on the civic mindedness and the education level, and of course if there are PTIs around, we don't know. And the other question my friend asked is, what kind of books would you allow? What happens if somebody puts some political propaganda inside there, or PAS punya or Rocket punya free magazine? Can you do that? Well, I'm gonna put this Reader Digest inside. Okay, I'm gonna put it inside and see what happened to it. Yeah, put it inside. I donate my Reader Digest book. Okay, see if anybody wants to read it. Oh, it's a bit dark. There you are. Good luck, guys. Good luck, guys.